How good is your English grammar? If you can answer these 10 English grammar questions, each using a different grammar rule, then you're doing very well with your English grammar lessons. Hi everyone, I'm Paula. Welcome back to Know Your English Grammar. Let's start with our questions. For most of them, you will be asked to identify the error and make the correction. Let's go. Number 1. Where is the error in this sentence? My glass is more full than yours. You have 5 seconds to come up with the answer. The error is more full. Full is an absolute adjective, and we cannot compare absolute adjectives. Something cannot be more full or most full than something else. But if we wish to show a comparison, we may compare degrees to which items approach these absolute qualities. To do so, we may use modifiers such as nearly or almost. So the correct sentence would be, my glass is full, because either it is full or it is empty. Or, my glass is most nearly full. This means it has not reached its absolute state of fullness. Number 2. Again, where is the error in this sentence? Mr. Brown went in his store for the goods. You have 5 seconds. The preposition in is incorrect. The correct word is into. In indicates a location, meaning something is already inside a place. Into is used to describe a movement or direction towards the inside of a place. Mr. Brown is moving from the outside of the store to the inside of his store. So the correct word is into. Mr. Brown went into his store for the goods. Number 3. Where is the error? The moderator told the guest speaker that he didn't speak loud enough. You have 5 seconds. The error is loud. Loud is an adjective. Speak is a verb and it needs an adverb to modify it. That is, to describe how the speaker spoke. So, instead of the adjective loud, we need the adverb loudly. He didn't speak loudly enough. Number 4. Again, spot the error. The shelter provides temporary accommodations for families affected by the flood. You have 5 seconds. The error is accommodations. Accommodation is one of those words that is uncountable. It does not have a plural form, so we do not say accommodations. Our sentence should read, the shelter provides temporary accommodation for families affected by the flood. Number 5. Put lay and lie in their correct positions in this sentence. After I blank my books on the table, I blank in my bed and watch the television. You have 5 seconds. And the correct answer is, after I lay my books on the table, I lie in my bed and watch the television. Lay and lie are 2 words that are easily confused in English grammar. Lay means to put or to place something somewhere in a flat position. It is a transitive verb. It needs an object to complete its meaning. In this sentence, my books is the object. Lie means to be in a horizontal position, to be in a state of rest. It is an intransitive verb, which means it does not need an object to complete its meaning. Did you get this one correct? For your reference, I will pin in the description of this lesson the video lessons relating to this and all the other questions in this lesson. Let's continue. Number 6. Where is the error? Nobody is not attending the meeting. You have 5 seconds. The error is not. Not is a negative word. Never use another negative word with the indefinite pronouns nothing, no one, and nobody. They are all negative words, and by using 2 negative words together in a sentence, you will be forming a double negative error. So we do not need not. Nobody is attending the meeting. Number 7. Which is correct? Hardworking without the hyphen or hardworking with the hyphen? The manager is seeking a blank assistant. You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is hardworking with the hyphen. Hardworking is a compound adjective describing assistant. Compound adjectives are hyphenated when they come before the noun in a sentence. For example, in this sentence, hardworking comes before the noun assistant. Compound adjectives are not hyphenated when they come after the noun they describe and are preceded by a form of the verb to be. For example, the assistant is hardworking. In this example, the noun precedes the compound adjective and it is followed by a form of the verb to be, which is. So only in that case we do not hyphenate the compound adjective. Number 8. Where is the error? Either Tom or Sally will show you their new toy. You have 5 seconds to come up with your answer. The error is there. When 2 antecedents are connected by or nor, the pronoun should agree in number and gender with the antecedent that is closer to the verb. Sally is closer to the verb show, and Sally is female in gender and singular in number, so the correct pronoun is her. Either Tom or Sally will show you her new toy. Number 9. Where is the arrow? Yesterday, I did went to the movies with Michael. You have 5 seconds. The error is did went. This sentence can be corrected in 2 ways. 1. The main verb following the helping verb did must be in the base form of the verb. The main verb following did is went. The base form of went is go. So the correct sentence is, yesterday I did go to the movies with Michael. The second way to correct this sentence, and the preferable way, is to remove the helping verb did, as it cannot be used with the simple past tense of a verb. So we remove did and our sentence is, yesterday I went to the movies with Michael. And our last question, number 10. Where is the error? I have to go to lunch now. You have 5 seconds. This is a very common error that I hear all the time. The error is of. The correct word is have. Of is a preposition and does not follow the context. The correct structure requires the verb have followed by the infinitive to go. I have to go to lunch now. I have to do my homework. You have to attend the meeting. Not of to, but have to. I think most persons make the mistake of using of because of pronunciation, especially if they speak quickly. Of to and have to can sound a bit close depending on your accent. Try to remember it is have and not of. So let me know in the comments section how many of these grammar rules you got correct. Did you get 10 out of 10? You are superb if you did. Please let me know your score in the comments section. Remember, I have pinned the lessons relating to these grammar rules in the description of this video. If you found this lesson useful, please let me know and remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my lessons. I will see you next time. Goodbye.